windshield is dirty like that because the windshield wiper fluid is frozen. Yeah, today I want to talk about the 335 and an issue that I'm having, and it's happening more frequently than usual. So I want to put this out there, should in case anybody or any one of you is going through this and you have a 335 and you just like, and your head is about to explode. I think I figured it out. So I've been modifying this car for a very long time. We've added a significant amount of power. I have yet to go back and start doing some more work with the tuner. But first, let's talk about BMW and how they engineered everything inside of the engine bay of the E92. Everything is really tight, a bunch of hoses, lines, and stuff like that. But we've changed the radiator, which the radiator is a little bit thicker than the OEM radiator, right? We've changed a couple of other things. So things kind of get a little bit even tighter. Even if it's just a little millimeter closer, they get a little bit tighter. So I was thinking to myself, like, how is it possible that this has happened more frequently? Because I've been driving the car for such a long time with no issues at all. So all of a sudden, belt starts eating up into the upper radiator hose, and I'm like, this is unusual. Insert James Franco face right here. So. Franco, one of them, I don't know. So I was like, what could be causing this problem? And I'm sitting there just thinking. I'm like, hold on. The motor has to be moving in order for it to reach the hose, because the last couple of times that I've fixed the upper radiator hose, it has been, you can't get it wrong, because there's a little notch on the side that you slide the hose into, and the hose just sits. You can't turn the hose to fix it the way you want it to sit. So it has to sit that way. So I'm like, hold on. The motor's flexing. Every time you step on the accelerator, the motor is flexing. So I was like, the motor mounts. I've never changed the motor mounts on the E92. So the motor is giving more flex, or the motor is shifting more. So that's just another thing that I have to add to the list. And I'm telling you, we're gonna take all that stuff apart and go to work on it. And that out there, it's crazy. I guess so. Snow is so old. This is like, what is it? This is like two weeks old snow. It's been so cold, the snow is not going anywhere. It's just hanging out, just checking the specs. I like it though. Once you dress for it, you can't even feel it's cold. All right, boys, that's gonna be it for this video. I'm gonna keep. You know what? I really like. You gotta let me over. You gotta let me over. I'm just gonna overtake you. It just is what it is. But I'm gonna keep this video short and sweet, guys. If you like what you see, don't forget to, you know, do all them YouTube things, and then I will see you guys back next week. It's getting some more seat time. We're gonna keep on going. I just wanted to let you guys know about. And you have a truck too. Your truck is big as hell. Like, what made you think it was gonna go that fast? Oh, we got another one on the streets. Just an Audi. Some blacked out Audi. All right, so I lost my train of thought. All right, we're just gonna keep the video sweet. Next week, we're back to doing what we do best.